welcome back to our YouTube channel, Lucky and Bliss Vlog Memories. Okay guys, today we're going to do an experiment with my mommy. Hello.
Hi.
But our material is cube of ice, pot, and a heater. So guys, before you do this experiment at home, you need a parent, like mom or dad. I'm using mom. This is why you need a parent. The heater are very hot. You don't wanna burn your finger, don't you?
Oh no!
Yeah. So our keywords is solid, liquid, and gas.
What is this your experiment? Experiment for what?
My project in school.
Projects for what is what you're going to show?
How matter changes to another matter.
Yes. What is the keywords?
Solid, liquid, and gas.
Can you explain what is the gas, what is the solid, and what is the liquid?
So
Please.
so the molecules of solid, they are very tightly like this. Very tight, so they cannot move, like this pot. Even when you ask the molecules to change items, it will not. It's too tight.
This one part is called
Solid.
solid. And then what else? What you have?
I forgot to say, ice is solid. So to the next one, if you put ice in the pot, when it melts, it turns into liquid. And the molecules of liquid is a little far from each other, like this.
So the liquid is have little space only.
Yes.
Okay. The solid is
Turn into liquid.
no. The solid is no
Space.
no space.
Mhm.
Okay.
And if the water is heated, they will turn into gas. What is gas? I'll tell you. And gas, the molecules are very far, very fast. Actually, they have no shape.
What is the sample of the gas? When this one you said if you put this ice in the pot and become a liquid, what is the example come out from that one?
Water vapor.
Water vapor. What is the what do you see? Example of what? They have smoke. Right? When the water become the ice become a liquid and the liquid become evaporate and that one become look a gas that called is
Evaporation.
okay, and that is a gas.
So guys, now we're going to do the experiment with my mom. So how many ice cubes we need?
It's up to you. Just a moment. I will put this one. Just a moment.
1. Oh, it's turning into liquid. Look guys, now the solid of ice is turning into liquid or water and becoming a little bit of steam. See? It's turning into liquid. You're putting a little bit more. Okay guys, wait for a moment for the pot and water to become boiling and you see the gas. It feels hot already.
What happened ice in your mouth? Inside your mouth?
Melting and turning into
When
liquid.
you feel your breath is cold, right? Oh, that is cold. What's that called?
Condensation. I already finished my ice and it's cold. It's turning to liquid now, just like my ice that I ate. It's cold tongue. It's melting.
Be careful, your hand.
Where's the gas?
Coming when the water is boiling.
Okay.
Do you see that one? There's see bubbles inside. Oh,
I think I need to stir it a little more.
no need to stir.
That sounds like a gas is going to wake up from its sleep. Sleeping Beauty. Except sleeping ice. I think it's already melting here.
Yeah.
Okay guys, while we're waiting for this to boil, I'm just gonna eat my ice chips.
No, it's the ice melting now. Just wait for more boil.
I'm waiting for that by eating my ice
You
chips.
eating more ice, you get have cold.
Okay.
What
See?
is this? What do you call this one? This is
Solid. See, a little gas is coming. See guys, a little gas is coming. It's called smoke. Okay guys, now I did my experiment of how matter changes into one matter into another matter. Like solid turns into liquid and liquid turns into gas. Now this is the example of state of matters. I'm crazy on the screen. Okay guys, now this is the end of the video. Hope you enjoy. Just please like this video, share this video with your family and friends, and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Bye! Mwah.